It's silver and gold time, and we're going to have a look at oil as well too. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, as you know that some of the biggest things that makes you a successful trader is really learning the art of trade management and really good money management techniques. I've just recorded the video walking through all the steps that's really going to help you. So click on the box above that says trade and money management and to get access to this video right now. Alrighty then. So let's have a quick look at oil. Let's have a quick look at the metals. Pretty much a nothing day with silver. Silver has just been going sideways through here. Again guys, pretty much a nothing day happening through there. If we go and have a look at the weekly chart so far to see what's actually happening on this overall big weekly chart, you can see that it's just still hovering around this support level here. So really interesting guys to see what's actually going on with silver is that we've just come down and we're just holding here right now. So really interesting to see that. I do believe looking at this monthly chart there guys, and this is a long-term view as well too. Looking at this monthly chart here guys, if you have a look at this overall monthly chart, and let me actually just draw these lines here. Yeah, let me just draw a few lines. Let me just draw a few lines through here, and I just want to share something with you that I've noticed. Alright, so there we go. So that's basically what's happened here, looking at the peaks and troughs. And once again guys, you can see how we've made this lower peak, lower peak, lower peak, lower peak. What's this? This is a major high peak, but it's a major high peak with that being a higher peak and that being a higher peak, and we've got this whole level here of support level. So I believe this whole monthly chart here guys, we're likely to find some pretty significant support around here somewhere, and I believe December is likely to be an up month going into next year, and I believe next year we could see brand new highs for silver silver on I kept saying silver don't I? Silver it must be the Australian accent for you Americans or whatever. So going through there. So moving forward into gold, look what happened to gold. And if you guys realize, right, it's really interesting because I've been saying for the last few weeks I'm expecting a reversal to happen soon in gold. But if you guys realize, I did a video yesterday saying if we don't start to rally up, if we don't start to rally up soon, we're likely to start to run down and start to get a bit more of a sell-off in gold. And as you can see, that's exactly what's happened. Now, I don't expect this downward movement that we're seeing here to last too long. Once again, you can see what's happening here. You can see what's happening on this weekly chart here, guys. You can see that we're still at this overall major area. If this sort of support resistance level goes down to as much as down through it there right now. So I don't expect this to last too long, this downward move that we're experiencing in gold, especially if you have a look on this monthly chart here, guys. This is the monthly chart once again, and if you have a look at what I was talking about here before, and you just draw your lines and you have a look at your major highs, major lows, major high, major low, major high, major low, you know, you just look at your swings. You're basically up through there. You can see that this is the higher peak, this is the higher peak, and we've just come down through there. So this whole area here is a major level of support. So I do believe we're likely to hold, and we're likely to have a pretty big, strong December coming into gold. So I don't expect to see too much out of that. Looking at my indicators, guys, let me actually bring up my chart here with my indicators. As you can see, I don't really like to use my indicators as much, but looking at my indicators, you can see basically we're starting to roll over again. So we may get a little bit more downside, but I think moving forward into December, I think December's likely to be quite a big, strong, bullish month for silver and gold. So looking on now to oil. So as you guys can see, what actually happened with oil. Oil is just gone Burmy, right? Burmy Barco, whatever. It's just gone absolutely just nuts, right? Just really, just big up bar. Obviously, I think there was an OPEC meeting and all that sort of stuff happening. As you can see, what's going on through there. And if I bring up my weekly chart, and you guys know exactly what I'm about to bring up here, right? This weekly chart here. If I just take that off the screen, I believe, guys, we are now getting ready, and I am getting ready to buy some long-term put options. This shoulder this shoulder, this long shoulder, and this head here formation, as you can see, a shoulder head formation is now getting ready to complete. This is a week. This is a monthly chart actually. Let's actually go to the weekly, because I think the weekly shows it a bit more. Actually, that's the week there. Let me actually bring up. Bam! All right, there we go. So you can see here, this is the weekly chart here. So you can see what's happening through here, guys. We're definitely holding strong through here. I do believe still this is a head and shoulder formation. I'm getting ready, guys, to buy some long-term out of the money on USO. This long-term head and shoulder formation, guys, I think is a bottom. I do believe that we're getting ready for some big buying movement out of gold, because look at that major head and shoulder bottoming pattern through there. And it's now really starting. Now looks like it's starting to get ready to really break out. So I am really seriously about looking at buying some long-term put options on USO. What is USO? Well, USO, for you guys that don't know, is basically the oil fund, and you can see basically that we're holding here strong. You can see that basically, or if we look at let's go have a look at this daily chart here. You can see what's happened here, right? We just had bam straight up through there. And yeah, you can see that we're definitely looks like we're trying to get a lot of buying movement out of this and coming down through there. If we is my software about to play up? I hope not. So if I draw that through there, let me draw that through there. Let me bring up, say, the 6-month view here for a minute. I'm just trying to get some sort of trend lines going on through here, guys. No, there's really no trend lines. It's pretty much a mess, isn't it? So we definitely want to see a break above this sort of $12 level. If we get a break above that $12 level, guys, and we get a nice weekly close above that, then I think there's a real good chance that we could actually see a race back up to the $110 mark. Call me crazy, but $110 mark, by maybe even at the end of next year. Guys, don't quote me on that. That is me just throwing a dart at the dartboard. Let me see where it lands. You know what I mean? That is just I'm not predicting that. I'm not even projecting that. I'm just saying that maybe we can actually start to get some movement. So definitely, I would think to get it back up to 40 level, because that seems where the medium, or at least the 30 level on a medium basis. But yeah, so there we go, guys. Long-term view, what the bigger picture is saying on oil, gold, and silver. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.